everyone. Okay, so let me add Kushnam. Welcome to our live session. And let me just try adding Kushnam. Hello Nupur. Good evening, Achal. Hi, Javnika. Hello, Kushnam.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Doing good.
Good, great.
Yeah, we are back with our another live session.
Absolutely.
Let me just
The last and final one before we close registrations.
Yes, and today is the last day for registration, right?
Yes, the last few hours remaining.
Last few hours, yes.
So the entire Panache team is super excited. The auditions are around the corner, and
Yes.
we're all geared up and very, very excited to go forward. I'm
Just
sure
one day to go. Glad to see you again.
So are we. We are so very happy.
So anything different, Kushnam, this time? Like, do you have anything different to tell to our audience, or do you want to give them some suggestion before the auditions begin?
No suggestions as such. Only thing I can advise my contestants is just be yourself, just be who you are, and be confident. Uh, your body language, your confidence, the way you present yourself is all we are going to judge you on. So, yes, just be yourself and go for it.
Yes, so guys, just be yourself and go for it. We are going to start our auditions very soon, just a day to go. And I can already see questions flooding in. Timings you will get to know very soon, maybe a day before or maybe 2 hours in advance. You will get to know the timing.
I think there's a question that is repeatedly coming, and that is how are you going to conduct your auditions? So I think we can just explain it to them.
Yes,
so
yes, we can. Before that question, is our network fine?
Yes, your network is fine. Absolutely.
Yours is fine. Okay. Because I'm also seeing the message coming like network nahi aa raha hai and all. So I just thought to ask you.
नहीं, I think हम
सही
दोनों का
नहीं आ रहा है.
network fine है.
Okay. Okay, guys, everyone, can you please
का network भी fine हो.
Guys, can you please just tell us once in the comment box if the network is fine? I think Krishna ने thumbs up दिया है. ओके सो अगर आप में से किसी का फाइन नहीं है तो प्लीज ओके मैम हिंदी में बोलो. हाँ मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रही हूँ. ओके अगर आप में से किसी का नेटवर्क फाइन नहीं है तो प्लीज उसको नेटवर्क को थोड़ा सा ठीक से कनेक्ट कर लो या वापस से वाईफाई को स्विच ऑफ करके ऑन कर लो. हाँ सही नहीं आ रहा है. ओ माय गॉड सो मेनी पीपल टेलिंग. ओके network is okay. चलो ठीक है. Let's continue, Krishnam. I think you can start with the how audition is going to take place, and you can add one more thing in that the dress code, because I can see 3-4 questions on the dress code as well.
So आज हम पूरे ऑडिशन की बात करते हैं, और जो भी अगर मैं कुछ मिस कर जाती हूँ तो आप लोग मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछ लो और उस तरह से आंसर हो जाएगा. तो अगर हम ऑडिशंस की बात करें तो आप सबको आज हमारी तरफ से एक कॉल भी आ गया होगा रिकन्फर्मिंग आपका कंटेस्टेंट नंबर और आपका डेट ऑफ ऑडिशन. अब जिस डेट पे आपका ऑडिशन है उस डेट पे लेट में लेट आधा घंटा पहले आपको आपकी ज्वाइनिंग लिंक आ जाएगी.
बिल्कुल.
प्लीज उस लिंक के लिए अपना ईमेल चेक करते रहिए. आपका ईमेल चेक करिए. आपको लिंक प्रेफरेबली व्हाट्सएप और ईमेल दोनों में आएगी, पर दोनों चेक करते रहिए. आप एक बार आपकी लिंक आ जाए और आपका जो टाइम दिया है हमने उस टाइम पे आप लॉग इन करिए और आपके ऑडिशंस लिए जाएंगे.
एग्जैक्टली. और आपके
स्लॉट्स में डिवाइड किया है तो आपके आगे भी लोग होंगे, आपके पीछे भी लोग होंगे, तो टाइम से अपना ऑडिशन ज्वाइन करिए। और जैसे जैसे सबका, और हमने जानबूझ के ऐसे रखा है ताकि आप, आपके फ्रेंड्स, आपके को कंटेस्टेंट्स जो आपके साथ इस कंपटीशन में है, आप उनको भी देख सको, उनसे भी कनेक्ट कर सको और उनके ऑडिशंस भी देख सको। ऐसा नहीं कि एक ऑडिशन दिया और आप घर जाओ। You can stay in that room, you can see the other auditions also. So yes, the whole idea of spreading cheer and joy together.
ओके, खुशनम, यहाँ पे एंजेलिना करके है, उनको बोल रहे हैं कि उनको ईमेल कंफर्मेशन नहीं आया। एंजेलिना, अगर आपने ईमेल 48, अगर आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन 48 आवर्स पहले किया है तो आपको अभी ईमेल कंफर्मेशन आ जाएगा, आज नहीं तो कल में। और अगर उसके बाद भी अगर आपको नहीं आया है, 48 आवर्स से ऊपर हो चुके हैं, तो आप प्लीज एक बार डीएम कर दीजिए, हम आपको चेक करके बताएंगे। हो सकता है कि जब आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया हो उसमें जो ईमेल आईडी दिया हो वो गलत है, ठीक है? तो कई बार होता है।
आप हमें डीएम कर दीजिए ताकि वी विल क्रॉस चेक एंड गेट बैक टू यू।
एंड जो प्लेटफॉर्म यूज होगा वो गूगल मीट यूज होगा। गूगल मीट आप पहले से भी डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हो, और अगर नहीं है तो जो लिंक आता है वो बहुत ही एक्सेसिबल होता है। यू जस्ट हैव टू एक बार क्लिक करोगे उस पे और आपको वो गूगल मीट ऑटोमेटिकली ऑप्शन दे देता है। तो वो कोई डिफिकल्ट प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है। और इवन उसमें अगर आपके पास हल्का भी इंटरनेट कनेक्शन चल रहा है, ठीक से कनेक्शन है, तो आपको इंटरनेट की भी दिक्कत नहीं आएगी और आपको पासवर्ड नहीं डालना पड़ेगा। आप सिर्फ लिंक में क्लिक करोगे, दो आपके साथ पासवर्ड शेयर किया जाएगा, पर हमारे एंड से बंदे आपको अप्रूव कर देंगे, आपको उसमें पासवर्ड नहीं एंटर करना पड़ेगा।
सही है।
और अगर आपका स्लॉट्स, सॉरी लास्ट एक चीज और, हाँ, अगर आपका स्लॉट्स नहीं पता है, सपोज आपको मेल तो आ जाएगा कि आपका ये टाइम है, इस टाइम से इस टाइम पे आपको ज्वाइन करना, जो कि आयुष का क्वेश्चन है कि अगर आपको लिंक रिसीव नहीं हुआ तो अगर आपको मैक्स टू मैक्स, जैसे खुशरम ने बोला, हाफ एन आवर पहले तो लिंक आना ही है। नहीं आएगा तो आप हमें इमीडिएटली डीएम करिए, हमारे डीएम का आपको इमीडिएट आंसर मिलने वाला है आपको, because even we are concerned about your auditions and timing and we want everything to be in place. तो अगर आपको थोड़ा भी है,
auditions also.
Exactly.
So yes, we are as concerned and careful about it as you are. Apart from that, there were other questions that were coming कि घर में कोई आपको स्पेशल तैयारी करनी है ऑडिशंस के लिए, आपको ऐसी कोई बैकग्राउंड की तैयारी नहीं करनी है। एक अच्छा खासा वॉल पकड़ लीजिए आपके घर में और आप उसके सामने खड़े रह के ऑडिशंस दे सकते हो। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जो आपका ड्रेस कोड का क्वेश्चन है, ये एक मिस और मिस्टर इंडिया का ऑडिशन है जिसके लिए आपको थोड़ी तो तैयारी करनी है, अपने आप पे काम करना है, अपने आप को प्रेजेंटेबल दिखाना है। और एक बहुत बड़ा ऑल इंडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है, तो उसके ऊपर आप जाने वाले हो, तो यस, अपने आप को प्रेजेंटेबल बनाना डेफिनेटली जरूरी है। और थोड़े जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस, जैसे आपके बारे में, आपकी हॉबीज क्या है, सिंपल क्वेश्चंस जो कोई भी इंटरव्यू में पूछे जा सकते हैं, वैसे क्वेश्चंस को आपको तैयार करके रखना है।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन है मिहिर पाटिल का, व्हाट शुड आवर इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो इंक्लूडेड मैम? इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो नहीं है, आपका लाइव इंट्रो होने वाला है, आपका लाइव इंटरव्यू होने वाला है, जो कि जूरी मेंबर्स आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे। और जैसा कि खुशनम ने बताया, आपके अराउंड जूरी मेंबर्स के साथ साथ आपके को कंटेस्टेंट्स भी होंगे जो इंटरव्यू दे रहे होंगे आपके साथ। Okay, मैम, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर ऑडिशंस? आई थिंक खुशनम आपने आंसर दे दिया
है।
मैम 13 मई को तो है 2, मैं क्या करूंगा, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ अभी। कंफ्यूजन का सोल्यूशन, राहुल बैठ के आराम से सोचो आप क्या करना है आपको।
क्या हुआ, उसको क्या कंफ्यूजन है?
उसको कंफ्यूजन है कि मैं क्या करूंगा, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ ऑडिशंस में।
आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, ना ही टेंशन करना है, बस आपका बेस्ट देना है, बाकी सबके लिए हम है। यस, लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि रैंप वॉक करवाओगे क्या? वो मैं अभी बैठे बैठे नहीं बोल सकती। चांसेस है, अगर ऑडिशंस में आपके जो जूरी मेंबर्स है इन केस वो बोलते हैं आपको रैंप वॉक करना तो आपको करना है, वरना वो कंपलसरी नहीं है। रैंप वॉक जो है आपको आपकी ट्रेनिंग में सिखाया जाएगा। द 7-day ट्रेनिंग जो इसके बाद है उसमें आपको सिखाया जाएगा कैसे करना है। तो द राइट मेथड विल डेफिनेटली बी टॉट टू यू।
एब्सोल्युटली। एंड कृष्णम सुनीता का कहना है, कुड यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन डिटेल्स इन इंग्लिश?
Well, in English, it's the same thing that you are going to get your link for the audition latest half an hour prior to the audition. So, and it's going to be a Google Meet link. So once you get that, please log on to it. And it's going to be in lots of 50 so that you also can see your co-contestants, interact with them. You can see their auditions also. The jury will be there. And whatever question answers are asked, whatever the other co-contestants are also doing, and you can see that. So yes, it's an interactive platform that we have planned for you all, and it's a Miss and Mr. India at the end of the day. So you need to be presentable. You need to present yourself in a proper manner, and that is all we are looking for: confidence and good presentation.
Okay. एक बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन आ रहा है कि मैम डू वी नीड टू मेक वीडियोस और पैजेंट लाइक रैंप वॉक एंड ऑल? Not before your auditions, not on your auditions. No ramp walk videos, no introduction videos for your auditions.
Your auditions are going to be live. Guys, this is the first of its kind show in all of India that we are doing, which is going to be completely live. So right from your auditions, which are going to be conducted live, till your finale, everything is going to be live. No videos to be sent from your side. Whatever is to be taken is going to be complete interaction. That is why we have been saying right from day one, please, the only thing we need from you is a good connection. That is all we are asking for. एक अच्छा सा connection आपके लिए देख लेना. बाकी सब live होगा, तो आपकी ट्रेनिंग भी लाइव होगी, ऑडिशंस भी लाइव होगा. आपको कोई वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
ओके, ये एक कॉमन चीज जो सबके लिए मैं एड्रेस करूंगी कि प्लीज डोंट गेट नर्वस राइट नाउ. क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे, ऑडिशंस में कितने लोग होंगे, ऑडिशंस में क्या पहनना है, ऑडिशंस में जूरी कौन कौन होगा, ये सारी चीजों को अभी ऑडिशंस के दिन के लिए छोड़ दो और आप अभी अपने आप पे वर्क करो, बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करो, एंड आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू गोइंग टू रॉक इट.
यस, एक और क्वेश्चन जो आ रहा है इस फीस के बारे में. गाइस, दिस पैजेंट इज अ सोशल कॉज पैजेंट. ये जो पैजेंट हमने किया है ये एक सोशल कॉज पैजेंट है. इसके लिए हम एक पैसा भी आपसे नहीं लेने वाले. हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स जो है कुछ भी पे नहीं करने वाले हैं हमको. हर एक चीज जो है, आपके ऑडिशंस, आपकी ट्रेनिंग, आपका फिनाले, हर एक चीज जो है वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर द कंटेस्टेंट्स है. आपको कुछ नहीं पे करना है.
Exactly.
Now again I got to translate it because they are saying talk in English. So yes, this pageant is completely free of cost for our contestants, be it the training, audition, semi-finale, everything is absolutely free. You are not going to pay anything for the training or the pageant. It's a social cause that we are addressing, and in these times all we want is your smile, your support, your motivation to go ahead in this.
Yes, absolutely. हाँ कृष्ण, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. आई थिंक देयर आर सम कंफ्यूजन आल्सो जो कंटेस्टेंट्स को है. दे आर थिंकिंग जो ट्रेनिंग उनको मिलने वाली है 7 days ट्रेनिंग, उनको ऑडिशंस के पहले मिलने वाली है, जबकि उनका ऑडिशन 15th को है. मुस्कान का क्वेश्चन है 7 days ट्रेनिंग क्वेश्चन मार्क. I mean, my audition is on 15th and today is 10th. As such, I haven't received my message regarding training. So, would you want to address that?
Yes, of course. Guys, your auditions start from day after tomorrow. 12th से आपके auditions चालू हो रहे हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स एज आई सेड आपके लॉट्स में जा रहे हैं, जैसे हर रोज के सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ ऑडिशंस विल बी टेकिंग. As I always say in all the lives, thank you for the overwhelming response. We are flooded with entries and we do not want to disappoint any deserving candidate. तो हम हर एक एंट्री जो है उसका ऑडिशन लेने वाले हैं. उन एंट्रीज में से आप ऑडिशन में क्लियर करते हो, फिर आपकी ट्रेनिंग चालू होगी.
एग्जैक्टली.
हम फिल्टर राउंड करने वाले हैं जिसमें certain amount of candidates will have to go home again and certain amount will go ahead with us for the training, after which the semi finale round will be conducted. अब हिंदी में बोलो तो yes yes हमारे पास बहुत 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 सारी एंट्रीज आई है और हमें किसी को भी डिसअपॉइंट नहीं करना है. इसके लिए हम सबके ऑडिशंस ले रहे हैं. उन ऑडिशंस में जो बेस्ट होगा, जो सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ नंबर जो हमने सोचा है, उतने नंबर को हम लेके हम ट्रेनिंग के अंदर जाएंगे और फिर उस ट्रेनिंग के बाद सेमी फिनाले, प्री फिनाले और फिनाले राउंड होगा.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड बहुत लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन है कि ऑडिशंस के बाद रिजल्ट्स कब अनाउंस होगा?
ऑडिशंस के बाद अगेन within 48 hours आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप आगे हमारे साथ जा रहे हो या नहीं. तो उसके लिए भी आपको ईमेल्स और आपके व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस चेक करते रहना है.
अच्छा खुशम, ये क्वेश्चन मेरा हमेशा से आपसे रहा है और इसमें भी आया है, तब इसका आंसर आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. मैम, डू यू हैव अ ब्रांच इन बैंगलोर एंड इफ नॉट, अब कब खोल रहे हो?
No, we do not have a branch in Bangalore, but yes, हम बहुत जल्द वहाँ खोलेंगे और तब तक के लिए we do have online classes. As of now, we have a branch which is exclusively dedicated for online classes. तो अगर आप कहीं भी हो और आपको Panache join करना है, please DM us again. Our team will get back to you and you can join our online classes which are as good as physical classes, and your placements will be done at the end of your training.
Yes. And हमारे पनाश में सिर्फ I think not only India, last time they would have seen कि contestants जो थे कई ऐसे भी थे कि जो out of India रह रहे और है पनाश के. So Panache is anyways online everywhere.
We have contestants from all over the world. We have contestants from Dubai, South Africa, Malaysia, Mauritius, Maldives. Sorry, not contestants, students. So yes, our students are there from all over the globe, all over India, all over the globe. तो जिसे भी हमारे साथ आगे पढ़ना है या एडमिशन लेना है, प्लीज हमें DM करिए. हमारे टीम मेंबर्स आपको डेफिनेटली कांटेक्ट करेंगे.
Okay, so खुशरम, अब हम आज का स्टार्ट करें because I know they have a lot of question. अगर कुछ लोगों को तो हम अपने साथ ले लेते हैं जिनसे हमें बात करनी है यहाँ, जिसके लिए हमने आए हैं और वो बहुत एक्साइटेड है सबके सब आज सुबह से, and they are continuously DMing us. So let's start. And meanwhile हम लेते रहेंगे किसी से questions, है ना?
Absolutely. Yes, someone is asking us prizes. Prizes, the first crown winner gets 50,000. Then the first runner-up is 30,000. Second runner-up is 15,000. Apart from that, there are many other prizes that we have announced. Please go to our web page on Panache Academy and you will find the details of all the prizes that we are going to give. Apart from what we have written there are many other exciting hampers that have come our way for our winners also. So yes, in addition to what we have promised, there's a lot more in store for you.
Okay.
Yes, there will be crowns. There are very, very beautiful crowns that are there. Trust me, we will be putting the crowns on display. It's just a matter of time. You go ahead in the competition and we'll disclose the crowns to you.
Okay. So shall we start now?
Yes,
or
please.
You want to take a question, like one or two more questions before we start?
Simultaneously, we can do that in between.
Okay, okay. Chalo, so I'm giving you options whom to add. Okay, now you're going to tell me.
No, today
Uh,
I give you the first chance. Go ahead.
नहीं ऐसा मत करो please. Okay, so
Take
let
your
me
pick.
name it. Let me name the contestants. Okay.
No.
Priyanka.
You just pick one randomly. Come on.
No, don't do that. Okay. Okay, guys, मैं again and again आपसे request कर रही हूँ. I think fourth or fifth time we are going live, and every time I'm asking you, please keep your name as your Instagram handle. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me to read it out and even to select one. So please make sure you change your handle.
Getting messages for dress code and language to be used.
Yes.
तो ये दोनों questions जो है, I think मैं last में address करती हूँ क्योंकि हम लोग continuously इनको answer कर रहे हैं, and there are new people joining us and asking the same question again.
Same question,
yes,
exactly.
So language to be used and your dress code. Both the questions I will ask, I will answer, but that will be at the end of the session.
So all of you, a request on my side, please stay back, till the time our live is there. Okay, don't just, अपना question सुन के पूछ के, don't just log off. You need to, I think it's a very good opportunity for you guys. जो आपके यहाँ पे co-contestants आ रहे हैं, उनसे आप सुनो, उनके क्वेश्चन सुनो और आगे भी लाइव तक रहो. Exactly.
You will be able to judge.
And then आपके सारे questions answer होंगे, and mostly questions repeated हैं, तो please we will take all your questions. Just give us some time and let's start with the taking contestants from you. Yes. Okay. There is someone called Priyanshi Bhatt. So I'm taking her in, though her name is really weird, Psycho 16. I would really appreciate Priyanshi to change your name if you're joining us after auditions. It would be great. So, hello.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm great, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I have a vlog on YouTube. So it's kind of a पहचान बन गई है कि भाई Psycho 16 मतलब it's Priyanshi. So 90% of the people don't even know my real name. They only call me like, okay, Psycho 16. She's the one.
Okay, so where are you from?
To ask you a question connected to this, Priyanshi. What motivated you to name yourself Psycho 16?
Ma'am, Psycho 16 is like crazy, you can say, and I'm crazy about what things I do. Like I am crazy about my blogging, about my fashion. Like every new field I go into, I'm crazy about that. So I passionately do that. So it kind of did it.
Basically,
nice.
More than crazy, you can say you're a very passionate person.
Passionate about it, yeah.
Very
true.
So Priyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ahmedabad only, ma'am.
Okay. Great.
So how many followers do you have in your YouTube channel?
Right now I have up to 2K.
Oh,
nice,
that's
not bad. So what sort of blogging you do?
I started fashion blogging, posting on Instagram like since a year ago, and now I have started my own YouTube channel, Psycho Station again. But there are, mixed stuff. I post mixed stuff there, like fashion videos, fun challenges, vlogs, daily vlogs,
nice.
Stuff like that.
Excellent. We are very happy that you are a part of our Panache pageant, and see you in the auditions. All the very best to you.
Sure. All the best.
Sure.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Okay, now let me go ahead and add quickly someone else.
Sure.
Okay. आज गर्ल्स के रिक्वेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा है. बॉयज स्टार्ट सेंडिंग रिक्वेस्ट, वरना फिर आप ही बोलोगे कि हमने आपको ऐड नहीं किया. Exactly. So Abhi Singh Rajput, I can see one request. It's Aryan. Okay, I'm adding Abhi Singh Rajput.
Okay.
Let's see. Krishna, meanwhile, if you want to answer any question, there's a question coming. How many rounds will be there in auditions? Would you want to answer that?
Audition, there'll be one single round in which Of course, there may be a lot of questions, but the round will be one.
They may ask you to show your talent. They may ask you to show your work. They may ask you to talk. It can be anything.
Anything.
And talent round will be there, but not during your auditions. It will be after auditions when you go for your semi-finals and finals. Okay, so I think Abhi Singh Rajput is not taking the invitation. So I'm
Okay.
going to invite someone else meanwhile. Okay. Abhi Singh Rajput is unable to join. I believe network problem है, guys. Please make sure आपका network अच्छा set हो जाए. I want to pick a boy, खुशनम, और अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है ना कि नाम ऐसा है कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि
समझ
लड़की
में
है
नहीं
या
आ रहा।
लड़का.
ठीक है, बस आप
Exactly.
बंद करके एक पिकअप कर
ठीक
लो।
है. Okay, I'm picking one Sheikh Haziq.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, खुशनम, meanwhile एक और question है that I am from. Hello Sheikh,
Hello.
just 1 second. खुशनम, एक question है, वो 3 से 4 बार आ चुका है, 2 से 3 बार I
Okay.
think. Ma'am, please answer my question that I am actually from Mumbai but currently at my native place. So is that fine?
Yes, that is absolutely fine. जहाँ भी हो आप, whichever part of the world you are, not an issue. All you need is good internet connection to connect with us. That's it. Yes, hi.
Hi
Hi.
Sheikh.
Good
I'm
evening.
sorry, how to
what's-
pronounce your name?
Actually, my name is Hazik. It's
Hazik.
cast.
Okay, that's
Okay.
a nice name. And
Thank
where are
you.
you from, Hazik?
J&K.
Oh,
Oh,
lovely.
nice.
Excellent. Okay. So,
And
What are
you?
you
how is
doing
the-
there?
I am
Like
actually
professional?
studying in 12th class.
Oh,
Okay,
12, nice.
excellent.
Hmm.
And how is it there? I mean, the pandemic, how is it there?
Pandemic
Is it
is
very-
going. What
It's
to
crazy. It's strong.
say? Yes, yes. Haven't seen
Okay.
like this.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And what prompted you to join the pageant just now, Ajay?
What?
Why did you join this pageant in the middle of this pandemic?
Because I want to. Let me say.
हिंदी में भी
Because
बात कर सकते हो, अगर आपको हिंदी में जवाब देना है, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम।
I know what to say, but I am unable to say. एक
That's
सेकंड में
okay.
कहती हूँ।
आराम से
It's okay, आराम से.
इसको सॉर्ट आउट करके बोलो।
मतलब शौक है।
शौक
शौक
है
था,
आपका।
मैंने ज्वाइन किया।
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके,
Nice.
चलो अच्छा है, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। आई होप आपका शौक ये जो है पूरा हो और आप बहुत आगे तक जाओ हमारे साथ।
Thank you.
Thank
थैंक
you.
यू, थैंक यू फॉर
Thank you,
जॉइनिंग अस,
Hazik,
ऑल
and
द
thank you for
बेस्ट।
joining.
Okay, can I know
और-
when the audition?
सॉरी,
Auditions, आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दिया है?
Hmm.
रजिस्ट्रेशन कर दिया? आपको ईमेल आ गया रजिस्ट्रेशन का?
ना
आपने
अभी
कब
नहीं आया।
रजिस्टर किया था?
ओ बाप।
आपने कब रजिस्टर किया है?
2-3 दिन पहले किया था।
ओके, हाजिक, आप डीएम कर दोगे अपना नाम और कांटेक्ट नंबर और ईमेल आईडी पनाश एकेडमी पे। आपको अभी उसका रिस्पॉन्स आ जाएगा कि आपकी एंट्री हुई है या फिर अगर हुई है तो कब तक आपको उसका रिप्लाई आएगा। ठीक है, आप अभी जैसे ही आपका कॉल करता है आप प्लीज डीएम कर दो अपना डिटेल।
और एक रिक्वेस्ट है सबको कि प्लीज अपने स्पैम भी चेक करो, शायद मेल वहां ना चला गया हो।
मैंने किया था चेक। सुबह
ठीक है,
किया
बस
था।
तो फिर प्लीज हमारे मैसेज में डीएम कर दीजिए, आपको हमारी
Okay.
तरफ से तुरंत जवाब आ जाएगा।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
ठीक है,
Thank you. All the best.
थैंक यू,
Thank you for joining.
ओके, थैंk you.
थैंक यू।
Wow, Krishnam, that was from Jammu and Kashmir. See, like, last time
Lovely.
Assam to Kenya to, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh. Today we started Ahmedabad, Jammu, Kashmir, and don't know where all we are going to go.
So very exciting and motivating for us also.
Yes, yes. Okay, so I am going to pick the next one. Okay. अभी Nikita Sharma 1308. I'm sending you
Okay.
request, Nikita Sharma 1308. Let's see if she joins us. Meanwhile, I look for more.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Hello.
Nikita. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
We are good. Where are
We are
you
मैम
from,
my
good.
Nikita?
tripod wait a second मेरा tripod टूट गया यही टाइम पे
चलता है निकिता, वैसे छोटी छोटी चीजें तो
sorry
होती
for
रहती है.
just disturbing. Okay, my sister is hanging the tripod for me. Thank you.
How sweet.
How
Thank
And
you
yes,
so much, darling. Thank you.
So,
Yes,
Nikita,
so
where are you from?
where are you from?
I am from Ahmedabad only.
Okay.
Okay.
Great, great, great. And what are you doing?
Ma'am, I have just done BCom from GLS University and I am pursuing LLB from the Gujarat Law College at Gandhinagar.
Wow.
Okay, excellent, excellent. So, Nikita, what prompted
Yes.
you to join the pageant?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not able to hear your voice
What
clearly.
prompted you to join this pageant?
मैम इतना सब सोचा नहीं है क्या प्रॉफिट है क्या नहीं है बस my brothers told me that go and search the Panache Academy. There is an audition, so I'll go for it. क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी मिस गुजरात में पार्टिसिपेट किया था अभी जो रिसेंटली हुआ था
Right.
नवरंगपुरा में. तो मैम ये मेरा पैशन है या हॉबी मुझे पता नहीं क्या है बट मुझे अच्छा लगता है ऐसे पार्टिसिपेट करना. हार या जीत वो सब मैं नहीं सोचती.
Excellent, excellent.
Great,
Yes,
great,
तो
Nikita.
हार या जीत के ऊपर हमें फोकस भी नहीं करना है, हमें अपने आप पे फोकस करना है और वही हमारी जीत होती है.
And हमारी जर्नी पे.
I think Nikita is having problem.
Yes,
Nikita,
I think so.
आपका
Nikita is
connection
having
थोड़ा.
problem.
Wait a
So
second, ma'am. Just connect my Wi-Fi from
no,
other
that's
phone.
okay, Nikita.
No problem,
Thank
Nikita.
you so much.
Thank you so
But
much.
next for the auditions,
okay,
make
ma'am.
sure that you're join to your Wi-Fi and your connection is good. So
Thank
all
you,
the very
Nikita.
best, Nikita.
All the
Good luck.
best. Okay, now quickly I'm going to add someone else. Okay, boys के भी कुछ request डालो. I can hardly see boys के request. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Send me requests.
Boys, the girls are overshadowing you all. Come on.
Let me just scroll once again if I find any boys.
Okay.
There's guy Shubho Bhattacharya. I think we have taken him last time.
Shubho, we have already taken. Yes.
Shubho, we have taken. Yes. Um.
There's some girl writing, boys are sleeping, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm taking this another guy. Okay, I'm sending request. Question. दो तीन लोगों को एक बार में I'm putting the request. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see if
ठीक है.
both can join. Then it's a good thing.
Fabulous.
We can have two people. 2 or 3. Let's talk to them then.
Let's see.
Good evening,
Hello.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Hi,
Good evening.
Shubhu. Right, am I
ma'am.
pronouncing your name right?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Subbu Karanam. I'm from
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, okay, lovely. Okay, so
Yes.
how is the pandemic there? Under
Yes, ma'am.
control?
No, ma'am. Yesterday only I tested positive.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
Yes.
take care.
But we are
Okay, ma'am.
happy that you are still joining us. So
Yeah,
see,
ma'am.
this is the power of online, that even when you are at home, you are in quarantine, you can still be a
Yeah.
part of the contest. So we are really very happy that you are with us and we pray for your speedy recovery.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That really means a lot to me.
No, absolutely. We want you to be a part of our
Yeah.
contest. We want you to go ahead with us right till the end. So we pray that you are fine and Wish you speedy recovery. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All the very best, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you,
Okay.
Shubho. Take
Thank you,
rest and
ma'am.
Thank
take
you.
care. Get well soon and perform well in auditions.
Sure, ma'am.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so see, this is
Okay.
so very encouraging that he
Yes.
tested positive yesterday. Still, he is online with us. So that is something very unique that we
Yes.
got to learn from this
True.
pageant.
Very
When
true,
we are
Kushnam.
talking about spreading positivity, this is the positivity we are talking about. Someone who just tested positive yesterday is here with us.
Yes.
Someone who's in quarantine is here with us. So it's very, very motivating for us that yes, what we are doing and where we are going, we are on the right track.
True. So I am adding another girl now, Priyanka
Okay.
Jadhav. Let's see if she comes.
This is the second Priyanka today.
Yes, I think yes.
Yes.
Okay, actually requests are coming and going. It's not staying for long.
There's a Rahul Sharma who is continuously pinging us, ma'am, add
Hi,
me.
ma'am.
Okay, Rahul,
Yes.
can you please send the request? I will add you for sure.
Yes, good evening, Priyanka.
Good evening, Priyanka.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you? Good evening. Good evening.
We are fine. How are you doing, Priyanka?
Priyanka, I think
I'm doing
there's
great.
a little
Thank you.
problem with your
issue.
network.
Yes. So where are you
Can you
from,
see me?
Priyanka?
Can you hear me?
Not very
You are a
clearly.
little stuck,
I'm
but
from
yes,
Goa.
we can hear you.
You're
Oh,
from
you're
Goa.
from Goa. Excellent. Where in Goa from?
I'm from Goa, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, Priyanka, now we can hear you.
So where in Goa are you from, Priyanka?
I cannot. I think I have a network problem. Hear me now,
It's
ma'am.
okay. Log out again, Priyanka. We'll try and get you in.
Can you hear me?
Priyanka, your network is
breaking.
Hear you.
I think you can log off and then we can re-add you in some time.
We can re-add you.
Yes, I think she was facing a terrible network issue.
Yes, terrible.
Okay, Kushnam, abhi I need to see again for boys. It's so difficult. Yeah, girls are super active, like they are just sending so many. It's so difficult to even sort out like kiska naam lena hai.
Flooding us, right?
Okay. So yes, we have Ashu Ovan, and then we have Smarty Swag, Rushikesh.
Okay.
And then we have Kevin, Harsh. Wow, so many. Now I can see guys. Okay, now I can see guys finally. Okay, and as soon as I'm going to click on one and that guy's name is going and suddenly girl's name is popping up. Okay, so I'm going to pick one. It's Kevin Gabel Sangma. Okay, I'm just clicking on his name. I hope it goes to him. Okay. Let's see if he comes. And there's so many people like, please add me, Pamela. Please add me. Okay.
Go for 2-2 now, Khushbu. Let's see if we can join.
Yes, I'm sending. Yeah. Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hi, Kevin.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, Kevin.
Good evening.
Ma'am.
So where are you
Thank
from,
you for
Kevin?
adding me, ma'am.
Not at all, Kevin. Where are you from?
I am from Meghalaya, ma'am.
Oh, excellent. Lovely. So, Kevin, How is the situation of the pandemic in Meghalaya?
Well, it has not been that much, but I think the situation is, you know,
Oh my
it
God.
was
Okay.
controlled earlier, but I think it's going worse again now. But
Oh,
luckily, we are from village, so we don't face that much.
excellent. So you better stay home.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And
So
Kevin,
how's your preparation going on, Kevin? And did you already started preparing for the pageant? And what did you know, how are you preparing for auditions? Is there anything in your mind that you're going to do, say, talk?
Yes, ma'am. I'm practicing my communicating skills and my body language and how I should talk and how I should respond. And I'm just
excellent,
hoping for
Kevin.
the best.
Absolutely.
It's
You're
re
going to have all our
it's really an
support.
honor to do competition along with the other participants, and I'm really glad that Panache Academy has organized such competition, and also it's online, so it's some kind of benefit for us.
Very true. It's a very different pageant, Kevin, wherein we are going to connect with all of India, the youth from all of India, and try and spread positivity amongst everyone. So good luck and all the best to you, Kevin. See you in the audition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good luck, Kevin.
Thank you,
Thank
All
you.
the
ma'am.
very best.
Good
See you
luck.
in auditions. And
Thank you,
thank you for
ma'am.
joining us.
Thank you.
Okay, there's another request. I'm seeing it's coming continuously in the
Hmm.
some Sanam. I'm forgetting his name. It's continuously
Okay.
being seen in the chat box, but whenever
Hmm.
I'm coming here and trying to find the request, I'm not getting that. So
Oh,
can you
okay.
send me the request again? I can just read the last name. It's Sanam, but I don't remember the first name. Okay, meanwhile, I'll add a girl.
Hmm.
Ritu Rawat. I'm sending request to Ritu
Okay.
Rawat and Nishita Roy. Let me send two people together.
Yes, let's see if two go together.
Yes. Rahul Sharma, add me, ma'am. So many people.
Oh, wow. We have people added to
Hello.
us.
Hi.
Good
Hi,
evening.
guys.
Can you all
Can
just
Hi.
give
you
us your names, please, and
name?
where are you
Yes,
all
please.
from?
Yeah.
Myself Nishita Sinha Roy. I am from Umargam, Gujarat.
Okay, great. And where are you from?
I'm Ritu Rawat from Uttarakhand.
Oh,
Wow,
nice. So we have one
excellent.
Gujarat and one Uttarakhand.
One very, very hot place, one nice and cold place.
Cool place, cool place.
Yes, ma'am.
I really like your hair color. Nice and green. I love it.
Thank
So
you,
girls,
ma'am.
how
Yeah,
are
I
you all
feel pretty.
preparing for the pageant? What are you all doing? Anything special?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Improving body language, communicating skills, like the way of talking and all.
Great, great, great. And what about you, darling?
Yes, ma'am, the same thing, like working on myself, like how to represent, like within the jury member. So yeah, working on it, hoping for the best.
Absolutely,
Nice. So,
absolutely.
what do you girls do? Like, are you studying? You're working?
Yeah, I'm
Well,
pursuing
I'm
a
in 12th
BBA.
standard, clearing my boards.
One by
I'm
Okay,
one,
pur-
please.
one by one.
first you start.
Okay. Like I'm giving my 12th. I'm clearing my boards. My boards have been postponed, yet date have not came. So I'm
Right.
studying.
Right.
Okay,
And
good.
what about you?
I'm pursuing BBA from UPS Dehradun.
Oh, excellent.
Oh, nice.
So, yes, just
Very
like
good.
you all on screen just now here with us, you're going to be with them. You're
Thank
going to be
you.
there with a lot of contestants, making new friends, interacting with a lot of people from around the country. So, good luck and all the best to both of
Good
you all.
luck. All
See you
the
in the
very best,
audition.
girls. See
Thank you
Thank you,
you.
so
ma'am.
much, ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Okay, now let me add another few.
Okay. Two more.
Two more.
Let's try for two boys now.
Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Okay. Just scrolling down, scrolling down. Okay, so I have Rahul Sharma, and I'm going to add another one. This Homo sapien, but I am not finding. He sent the request before, seeing very
Okay.
interesting name, but I'm not able to find him. I was trying to find his name again, but yeah, I'm not able to find him. So I'm going to add another one. This guy called Abhijit Singh.
Okay.
So I'm adding Rahul Sharma and Abhijit Singh. Yes, so request sent. Okay. Krishna, कुछ इतने शांत
Yes.
क्यों हो?
I'm just waiting for them. So, yeah, hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Can you please tell us your name?
Ma'am,
My
Rahul
name is
Sharma.
Abhijit.
Okay,
Okay.
Rahul, I think your camera,
Is-
your network is
yeah,
having some problem.
some problem. We cannot see you, Rahul.
Yes, Abhijit, so where are you from?
I'm from Ahmedabad itself, ma'am.
And what do
Okay.
you do?
Sorry, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm pursuing diploma in aviation and hospitality management from Panache Academy itself, ma'am.
Oh, nice.
Okay,
Nice.
nice. So welcome, Rahul. Welcome.
Yes.
And
Rahul, can you hear us?
Rahul, can you hear us by any chance? I think he's
No,
unable
I
to
think he's
join.
left. Yeah,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
So
Okay.
thank you for coming and joining us here, and all the
And
very
all the
best.
very best. All the very
Thank
best.
you,
Good for
ma'am.
the
Thank you.
pageant. And see you in the
Thank you, ma'am.
auditions.
See you in
Thank
auditions.
you.
Okay, so I'm going to add another two. I'm trying to add two,
Okay.
but yeah, looks like there's a problem coming with their
Hmm.
network. So yes, okay. Any more suggestions, guys? Guys, just come up with your names. Just put your names there, and same time give us send us requests, because while reading the comments मुझे समझ में आ रहा है, चलो इसको याद करना है, और जब तक मैं यहाँ आती हूँ नाम हट जाते हैं.
When are the auditions? मैं तो questions पढ़ रही हूँ सारे, तो I'm just trying to process all the questions ताकि end में वापस एक बार सारे answers साथ में दे दूँ.
Yes. Right.
तो
Okay,
अब ले
so
लेते हैं दो.
हाँ, right. I'm adding Saloni, and then I'm
Okay.
adding one more person. Okay.
There's a Radhika here who wants to be added. I can read.
Yes.
Rahul is again trying.
Okay.
No, there is
So
no time limit for introduction, guys. But that does not mean you talk for 2 hours. Yes, a few minutes, and you can definitely take that much time for introduction.
so I've added one. Let
Okay.
her join, and meanwhile I'll look for other one.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Tell us something about yourself, darling.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Saloni Desai, 18 years old. I'm currently pursuing BCom from Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. My
Okay.
native is in Dehradun.
Dehradun.
Fabulous, fabulous.
Okay.
So, what got you to Bangalore from Dehradun all the way?
No, ma'am. Actually, my dad was in Air Force, so we got posted here.
Excellent. Okay.
Okay. So you are from Bangalore?
No, ma'am.
From
I'm
Dehradun.
Dehradun.
Dehradun. Okay.
Yes, yes. And how
Okay.
is Bangalore? It's in complete lockdown we are.
Yes, ma'am. It is
It
completely
is,
locked
it is.
down.
And it has the highest number of cases in India. That is
Per
what also
day.
we are. So, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you're going to stay indoors and take part in the competition. And yes, all the very best to you. Good luck.
All the best,
Thank you so
Saloni.
Thank you so much,
And
ma'am.
thank you for joining us.
Ma'am, thank you for
Thank you and good luck to
taking
you,
me.
darling.
Good luck.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, this is going good, huh? Back to back, we are adding people and so many different people
Oh
from so many
yes, from
different
all
states.
around the country.
Yes. So I'm adding few. I'm sending few more requests.
Guys, send all the requests you all want. Today is the last live auditions we go on to before the auditions. So yes, send as many requests as you want. Last few minutes remaining, after which we'll be addressing your questions, and then we'll be seeing you directly in the auditions.
Okay, so I'm sending to one girl and I'm trying to send it to a boy as well. Let's see if it goes. Okay, let's see if it comes now.
Okay. Meanwhile, I can take one or two questions that are there.
Yes.
The most
can.
common one being a dress code one. So yes, there is no specific dress code, but remember guys, आप मिस और मिस्टर इंडिया के स्टेज पे होने वाले हो, तो आपको अपना बेस्ट देना है, अपना ग्लैमरस बेस्ट देना है. Good evening. Hi. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi. Can you please tell your name so we can?
My name is Rishikesh Shastri. I am from Baroda and I am pursuing hotel management from Panache.
Okay, Hitesh. So, how are you? How is Baroda doing right now?
It's a critical condition, ma'am. Baroda has a critical condition.
So, do you go out or are you at home?
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you go out regularly or घर पे ही रहते हो?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, stay home and stay safe.
That's true. That's true.
One thing, Khushbu, I can say that he does follow us.
Yeah, how do you know that? Oh, he's repeating our tagline.
Absolutely.
Okay, if he follows us, can you tell us what is our tagline for the pageant? I'm sorry if I'm asking a difficult question, but if you can. I think it's a tough question, Krishnam.
It's a very, very tough,
because this is a very, be frankly and be honestly, because बहुत हार्ड क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि स्टेज उतना लेवल का है, उस हिसाब से टैगलाइन भी उस लेवल की होनी चाहिए, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई.
नहीं, हमारी टैगलाइन बहुत ही सिंपल है. आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, पर इस सवाल का जवाब मैं यहाँ नहीं दूंगी, ना आपको ना किसी और कंटेस्टेंट को. प्लीज गो बैक ऑन आवर पेज, रीड द एंटायर पेज, आपको वहां हमारी ये टैगलाइन मिल जाएगी.
Exactly. And I would definitely suggest you guys कि please एक बार वेबसाइट को scroll up and down करो. You never know what kind of a questions आपको जूरी पूछेंगे. कहीं हमारे कुछ वेबसाइट से रिलेटेड हुआ और आप आंसर नहीं कर पाए तो immediately you are out.
Yes, तो पूरी वेबसाइट भी आपको सर्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बस हमारा पनाश मिस एंड मिस्टर इंडिया 2021 का पेज एक बार पढ़ लो. उस पेज पे आपको सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएगी, including the tagline.
Exactly.
Very, very simple tagline. Something that we are very focused and motivated for. Okay?
Sure, ma'am.
So till then, good luck and all the best to you. And as you
Good
said,
luck.
and as we also say, stay home and stay safe.
Stay home and stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Okay. हाँ, तो कृष्णम एक लास्ट ले ले.
ठीक है, चलो
एक लास्ट में ट्राई करती हूँ कि डबल आ जाए इस बार. तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग एंड गेटिंग 2 people. एनी सजेशंस अगर आप वहाँ रीड कर रहे हो तो अगर आप मुझे कुछ बता सकते हो वहां से.
हरी _ओम बोल रहा है कि प्लीज टेक मी. राहुल
हरी, आप मुझे रिक्वेस्ट भेजो.
There's a Radhika who's trying, Yashika who's trying, Amisha who is trying, Harsh is asking. There's so many.
So many asking. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, so I'm sending request to 2 girls now because अभी boys का हुआ. So
Okay.
I've randomly sent the request to 2 girls and let's see कहाँ से है ये दोनों. Okay.
हाय मैम।
Hello,
Hello.
good evening.
मैम मैं उड़ीसा से हूँ।
Oh,
आपका नाम?
lovely. और आपका नाम?
मैम कुमकुम।
Kumkum, how
Okay,
sweet. That's
कुमकुम.
such a sweet name.
आप क्या करते हो कुमकुम?
मैम मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ अभी +2 सेकेंड ईयर।
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Oh,
और कैसा है उड़ीसा
nice.
में? लॉकडाउन है, नहीं है?
लॉकडाउन है
पूरा लॉकडाउन है,
अभी।
पूरा टाइम घर में रहते हो?
हाँ।
ओके, तो
तो
पैजेंट की तैयारी कैसे चल रही है आपकी?
वैसे चल रहा है। तो आज ही मैंने आज आज मैंने मैसेज पाया कि वो रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया और आज से तैयारी सब चल रहा है।
तो अभी
ओके.
जोरों शोरों से अपनी तैयारी चालू कर दो बिकॉज सिर्फ 2 से 3 दिन बचे हैं मतलब ऑडिशन स्टार्ट होने में. और आपका भी
हाँ
बहुत जल्दी होगा ऑडिशन. तो अगर क्लियर करना है तो
हाँ
बहुत
मैं
सारा
19 में
प्रिपरेशन.
है।
19th को है आपका.
ओके, 19 तो आपके पास
हाँ
टाइम है, थोड़े दिन
टाइम
है,
है.
तो तैयारी कर लीजिए अपनी. ओके,
यस मैम।
ऑल द बेस्ट, गुड लक.
ऑल द बेस्ट कुमकुम.
थैंक
गुड
यू
लक.
मैम।
सी यू इन
गुड
ऑडिशंस.
लक.
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
ओके कृष्णम. सो
तो
बहुत सारे
such
लोगों को
sweet
आज हमने लिया.
contestants,
या शी वाज
exactly.
सो क्यूट. या सो कृष्णम,
Yes, तो
अभी जो कमेंट्स में क्वेश्चन आए हैं उसके अलावा हमारे पास जो नीचे क्वेश्चन बॉक्स होता है उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं जो कि
ठीक
बहुत
है.
सिमिलर है. तो आई विल जस्ट रीड लाइक जो कि सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है एंड
ओके.
देन यू कैन आंसर. ओके. सो
शूट.
I have a doubt. I wanted to ask that is online audition our home background matters or not?
No, they won't matter as far as it's a proper background. एक सिंपल सा वॉल भी ले लो, मुझे कोई ग्लैमरस बैकग्राउंड नहीं चाहिए. एक सिंपल सा व्हाइट वॉल. खुशबू, आपका नेट इज
I'm there.
हैंगिंग अ लिटिल. यस, नाउ यू आर
I'm there.
देयर.
नहीं, नेट हैंग नहीं हुआ. मैंने स्वाइप अप कर दिया और एक्चुअली मैं स्वाइप अप हो गई उसके बाद क्वेश्चंस की वजह से.
बोलिए.
ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. एक्चुअली अभी सारे क्वेश्चंस हट गए हैं और सारे रिक्वेस्ट हैं. प्लीज ऐड. क्वेश्चन एक शॉर्ट एंड क्विक वाला ड्रेस के बारे में आप फिर से एक बार उनको बता दो बिकॉज बार बार ड्रेस के बारे में ही आ रहा है.
वेल, ड्रेस के बारे में ऑल आई कैन से इसके आप जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाने वाले हो, पनाश मिस एंड मिस्टर इंडिया, ये एक पूरे इंडिया का पैजेंट है. इट्स एन ऑल इंडिया पैजेंट. वी हैव नॉट आस्क्ड यू फॉर एनी स्पेसिफिक क्लोथ और एनी स्पेसिफिक कलर, पर यस, आप जो भी पहनो आप उसमें प्रेजेंटेबल हो. आप अपने आप को किस तरह से प्रेजेंट करते हो, किस कॉन्फिडेंस से प्रेजेंट करते हो. अगर लड़कियां हैं तो आपने थोड़ा मेकअप लगाया है, अपना हेयर किया है. सेम फॉर द बॉयज, आपने कितना एफर्ट डाला है अपने ग्रूमिंग में. ये सारी चीजें भी हम जज करेंगे, क्योंकि हम मानते हैं कि अगर आप अपने आप को प्यार करते हो तब आप अपने आप को वो टाइम देते हो. तो अगर आप वो अपने आप में वो टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते हो, फिर ही सामने वाला भी आपके अंदर वो टाइम इन्वेस्ट करेगा. तो यस, give your glamorous best and we are there to take you forward.
Yes. कुशम, एक दीक्षा करके था जिसका बहुत सारा रिक्वेस्ट आया. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फाइंड her, like she has sent DMs and messages and comments to add her, but when I'm trying to find her, I'm sorry Diksha, I'm not able to find you, otherwise I would have for sure added you. मुझे अभी आप नहीं मिल रहे हो, वरना आपको पक्का ऐड किया होता मैंने. She's trying really hard to reach out to us from every possible way.
Oh, how sweet. Darling,
Okay.
if not today, we are definitely going to meet you in auditions. हाँ, ये ऑनलाइन ऑडिशंस होने वाले हैं. ऑनलाइन पर लाइव ऑडिशंस होने वाले हैं. जिसमें आपको 50-50 के ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करेंगे। आप अपने को कंटेस्टेंट्स को वहां देख सकोगे, बात कर सकते हो, दूसरों के ऑडिशंस देख सकते हो। इंटरएक्टिव प्लेटफॉर्म होने वाला है। आपके कपड़े जो है, आपका ग्रूमिंग जो है वो मैटर करेगा। आपका बैकग्राउंड जो है वो मैटर नहीं करेगा। आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलते हो वो मैटर करेगा। ऑडिशंस के आधे घंटे पहले तक आपको लिंक मिल जाएगी। और आई डोंट नो, और अगर मैं कोई सवाल भूल गई हूँ तो प्लीज पूछ लीजिए। वरना ये सारे इंस्ट्रक्शन साथ में दे दिए मैंने।
ओके, सो आलोक सिंह लगता है थोड़ा गुस्सा हो गया है। Bye, ma'am. You are ignoring for half an hour. Alok, actually, there's so many requests coming, and we have to pick up randomly. Don't worry, this is not the last live session with you. Perform well, and we are going to come for many more lives. You know, you guys can get many more chances to interact with us in future. So this is not the last chance. And you know, there are like 240 contestants join one shot. So it's little difficult to kind of add and to do it right now. But this is not the last chance.
Ignore you, Alok.
Yes.
Don't worry about it. And yes, we are definitely going to meet you in the auditions.
Alok, all the very best to you.
For that.
All the very best to you, Alok.
Oh, there's Hariom who says, "Nan, why are you ignoring me?"
Guys, we are not ignoring anyone. We cannot, because of you. We are conducting this pageant only because for you, and for you guys to be there, come up there, perform, smile, laugh, and spread happiness. So, जब जिसके लिए किया है उसको कैसे ignore कर सकते? We are not ignoring you guys at all.
So no one is being ignored. It's just that we are being flooded with requests. तो किसी का नाम आ रहा है सामने, किसी का नहीं आ रहा है। तो yes, auditions में हम सबको मिलेंगे, सबसे बातें होंगी, and we are here to spread positivity, और वही होने वाला है। So don't get disappointed अगर आपका नाम यहाँ नहीं आता। Auditions में हम हर एक contestant से मिलेंगे। And with that, I think Khushbu, can we sign off?
Yes, Khushbu, very much. All the best
to all the contestants. हमारे first lot of auditions 12th से शुरू हो रहे हैं। So good luck to everyone. जिनको मेल्स या मैसेजेस नहीं मिल रहे हैं, प्लीज हमें DM करिए ताकि हम आपको वो वापस भेज सकते हैं। Till then, good luck, all the best, stay home, stay safe.
Good luck everyone, and make sure your internet is really proper. जैसे ही आपको ऑडिशन स्टार्ट होता है, all the very best, and perform well. See you guys. Bye bye.
Good luck.